Looking for the best Instant Pot Springform pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Instant Pot Springform pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Hiware 7 inches non-stick springform pan with cleaning cloth. Pros: double layer non-stick coating. Springform buckle for easy release of baked goods. Oven safe to 450 degrees. No need to flour the pan, but lightly grease for best results. Hand washing recommended. PFOA, BPA, and PTFE free. Makes good, moist cheesecake. Cons: it leaks in some cases, so be sure you have a thick recipe. Bottom line: you can skip flouring this non-stick springform pan. Just give it a light greasing and you're ready to go. At number 2. Fat Daddio's 6 inches springform cake pan. Pros: fits perfectly in 6 and 8 quart pressure cookers. Push and release design. Made of strong, safe anodized aluminium. Features a durable, non-reactive 18-gauge coating. Even heating. Prevents overbaking. Safe for citrus ingredients. Won't chip. Tall sides. Tight-fitting latch. Cons: may leak slightly if you don't put a solid crust down first. Bottom line: this anodized aluminium springform pan heats faster and cools quicker than other metals, giving you better results. At number 1. Nordic Ware 7 inches leak-proof springform pan. Pros: 4-cup spring pan. Non-stick coating. Leak-proof tight seal. Can be hand-washed with mild detergent. Available in 7 and 9 inches, but only 7-inch size fits in Instant Pot. Doesn't bend or warp. Secure spring. Deeper than other springform pans. Well built. High quality. Cons: not dishwasher safe. Bottom line: this high-quality springform pan is slightly taller than other brands, giving even more room for sweet, creamy goodness. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.